Why do experts say Hurricane Helene could be a game changer for the East Coast? Here's what you need to know. Currently churning over the Atlantic, Hurricane Helene is gaining speed and power. Forecast models suggest it could impact Florida, Georgia, and the Carolinas in the coming days. Residents, this is your heads up to start preparing now. Helene is projected to strengthen, with winds reaching hurricane force. If you're in coastal areas, keep a close watch and stay tuned for potential evacuation orders. What can you do to prepare? Stock up on essentials: water, non-perishable food, batteries, and first aid supplies. If you're near the coast, plan your evacuation routes. Even if Helene doesn't make landfall, expect heavy rain, flooding, and dangerous winds. Stay updated on your local weather alerts. Stay safe and stay prepared. This is your urgent update on Hurricane Helene.